Some places are quietly fading away. Natural wonders and human footprints. Our shared heritage deserves to be remembered. The World Heritage 3D Conservation Initiative now begins. With drone mapping technology, unlock a new gateway to World Heritage. From thousands of images, preserving the memory of an ancient city, to billions of data points, rebuilding a vast valley. Sweep the vast land or zoom in for millimeter details. Use DJI Reality to bring your models to life. With cinematic fly-throughs and free camera controls, you bring World Heritage to life. Choose your track, natural or cultural heritage. From ancient sites to untouched landscapes, their stories are yours to tell. Wherever you are, whatever your industry, let's experience World Heritage in a new way. Map your heritage. 2026 World Heritage 3D Conservation Initiative. Join the global showcase. Start today